A certain note wouldn't be played with the correct accent, or we wouldn't match styles with each other, which is a battle we are still fighting. However, our meetings would always end with Mr. Patel offering his encouragement. He would say that we know what we need to do, that we can do it, that our purpose is to repair the world. As young and clueless students, Mr. Patel believed in us and in the development of our underdeveloped skills. His belief is the reason we can stand here today, experience a huge loss, but continue to play and be joyful. I will forever appreciate the way he led us with generosity, warmth, and wisdom, with full faith that we will one day rise above. Nearly every time I play, I hear his voice. If I play something weird, I can hear him telling me how to fix it. When I play something right, I can hear him in the music. We hope that you enjoy our performance today, but most importantly, we hope that Mr. Patel is proud of us. We hope that his voice and teachings continue to speak through our playing, and that you, as someone who knows him well, can hear him too. This is A Nightingale Sang on Barclay Square. Thank you.